Okay, so I leave the door open usually in the morning, and the chickens decided they wanted to wander in. They took a little nap just now, so come on, chickens. Hey, chickens, let's go outside. They usually follow me, so we'll see. Hey, guys. Come on, chickens. All right, so here's a little garden update. Everything's looking good. There's some red onions, some peppers that I'm gonna give to my girlfriend's family for their little their farm they have going, or garden. There's some cucumber plants and pepper plants. I believe they're habaneros and cucumbers right there. Got some lavender growing, pepper plants, bell pepper plants. Got some watermelon right here. Some more carrots. We're giving those to my girlfriend's family too to plant. And then we have corn and I forgot what that one is. Yeah, something. And red onion buckets. Chicken coop still holding up. Got some plants we're gonna put in the ground today. Got some little flowers to go around the pond. Found these, some Carolina Reaper plants. They were like $1.99 per plant, but they ended up having 2 plants in each pot. So I have 6 of those, 6 Carolina Reapers, 2 time bombs. Or I guess I ended up getting 8 Carolina Reapers and 2 time bombs. Got carried away a little, and some flowers to go around the pond here. So pond is really going good. We got some plants, water plants put in there from our local aquarium store. The pond's really cleared up. You couldn't even see the bottom. Now you can see like every individual rock in there. It's going good. Pump's going good. Got it buried. Got the line buried. Then put a pathway in. Just as a spot over there. Got our carrots. They look like just like the ones in the bucket earlier. We got them thinned out and put into the garden. So got a row of those. We have a row of onions and a row of potatoes. And then we have our 2 bigger shishito pepper plants, starting 2 more rows here. And then we have this trellis, which was actually our old garden cover. We ended up replacing them with chicken wire for the chickens and threw some bird netting over the top. But yeah, that's the, we're gonna use that for a trellis for our cucumbers and eggplant. So we'll do that. We got everything covered over here as well. The birds or squirrels or something were stealing our strawberries, so we got them protected. Huge cilantro. We got these as like little babies, and they produce more than anything we have in the garden actually. So got all the 4 pepper plants there, broccoli, more pepper plants in the bottom, tomatoes looking good, cherry tomato plant, and then we have some more, couple smaller plants, tomato plants down there. Flowers I got for Valentine's Day for Katie, looking good. Got some good broccolis going here. All the plants have like small, at least small broccoli on them. So, and we got some squash there, looking good. They started out with about 2 or 3 leaves on each plant, and now they are spreading pretty fast. So that'll be good. Our blue bonnets, some mint, we've got some pineapple sage, and some basil, more blue bonnets. Yeah, we got like three types of water plant right there, and I'm actually gonna go get 1 more of each kind, fill it out a little bit. So, yeah. Oh yeah, and we ended up putting some a light over, solar light, charges at night, or charges during the day and comes on at night, and those 2 as well, those lights. And then we put up some just lights around to sit out here at night, get our set up, and we're gonna eventually hide that wire there too. So yeah, that's it for right now. Got some rosy red minnows here. Just went to PetSmart and got some minnows. Throw in the aquarium. I got the water ratio, or the water clean and clear plants in there, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to acclimate these, sit these in there. There we go, tie it into the bed. Sorry. Put this in here, put the bricks, hold that. There we go, okay. So yeah, we'll sit them there for an hour or so, let them acclimate. Alright, things looking good. Alright, here we go. It's been about 20 minutes since I put these minnows in here to acclimate, and I looked it up and that says that's plenty of time because it's been 25 minutes. So yeah, I got about 10 or 12 rosy rainbow minnows there, and now we're gonna put them in their home. There we go, last one's out. Let's see. Looks like they've all made it. Yeah, they're just checking out their new home. I don't know if you can see any of them. The water ripples are going, so. Oh, there they go. There they are. Alright, they're kind of all together. So I heard they do that. They'll kind of bunch together until they get comfortable, and then hopefully they'll venture out and see what's up. Alright. Alright. I got my hot Carolina Reaper peppers set up. All these guys are gonna go in this row. I just made a little line with some spikes and some string. Try to keep it somewhat straight. So I'm gonna put those there on this row. And then these rocket stop. These time bomb peppers are gonna go in this next row here. So, and then also have these flowers here. I'm gonna put in, space them out around this fountain. So give it a little color. And show you what it looks like when it goes in. Alright, all done planting the flowers. So we got these guys going. And honestly, I'm not even sure what they're called. They come in a few different colors, but so what are you doing, guys? Hey. But yeah, they come in a few different colors, so I spaced them out all around. Got the basil, new flowers, mint. We got those will be blue bonnets. Got a little mint there, flowers. Yeah, so I got them spaced all the way around. Looks good. Yeah, and the fish are good in there. I put some food in, just a little bit, and it's already gone. They ate it in a few minutes, so I think that was a good amount. See if I can see these guys. They're hiding. They're in there somewhere though. And then also, I just planted these. So at the end of the rows, we have my shishito peppers. Then all these right here ended up being the Carolina Reaper peppers. So I ended up getting 7 plants out of that. And I think this one's like a double plant, but it was so close together that I just like left them. So we'll see what happens with those. And then those are the time bomb peppers at the end. So yeah, those will look good. All right. Yep, that's it for now.